Welcome back. We are with Lian. We're doing a shoot. Walking around BGC doing a shoot. And yeah, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3. Play lang ako. 1, 2, 3. Half body tayo. Half body. Yan, yan. Sige. Half body. Sige lang po. Relax, hindi. Smile naman dyan. Bringing it in, you know. New view, same old setup, just a different view. But it's been 3 months since my last video. It's awesome to be back. We're doing shoots again. A big thank you to Lian. She's always amazing. Whenever I need a model, I know I can count on her. She's always around. Awesome working with her. So yeah, that's our first shoot for the year. If you're interested in that look that we're going for more like filmic, retro, vintage vibe, you can look out for the other shoots that we're going to be doing. And we're actually going to be doing a review for the plugin we used on Lightroom Classic. So if that's something that you'd like to try out, try to emulate, watch out for that video. So yeah, it's awesome to be back, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.